Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, OMG, something came all the way from Japan. Let me get her. Chanel! So we are going to do a Chanel True unboxing. Yay! So guys, I have not seen again the content of this one. I have been waiting for this for a while now. I'm super excited. So Miss Arlene Sakata helped to ship this one to me directly from Japan. So I'm going to share what's inside. So if you want to find out what's inside this box here, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlogs every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our luxury addicted family by clicking this cute little icon here, so you can easily subscribe and I'd be happy to welcome you. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Revies so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, this is the second package that came from a Japanese consignment store. So if you have not seen our unboxing episode of the Chanel Patent Vanity, I'm going to link it up here, put it on the description box. So I'm super happy that I was able to again cop this very beautiful Chanel bag. So again, this is a true unboxing. I have not seen the content of this box. I just opened the packaging because it's packed really tightly. And again, I would be praying, since this is another true unboxing, that hopefully this is not a failed unboxing, just like with the recent Chanel bag that we have unboxed a couple of weeks back. Unfortunately, I have to return that because of, you know, the damages that happened during shipping. So are you ready? Let's open the box. So again guys, this came all the way from Japan, and I want to say thank you again to Miss Arlene for helping me out in shipping the item from Japan to here. So here is the what is the content inside the box here, so as you can see. So let me pull her out. Give me 1 second guys. Oh my god. Okay, so let me drop the box here. OMG! So as you can see guys, it's nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. So let me just slide it if I could do that. Ooh. So I don't have any thumbnail yet, so let's do a thumbnail. So let's open what's inside this box here. But I have just noticed again that there is a sticker. Ooh. So I'm not sure if this is the original box that it came with, but it has this sticker again, just like with the Chanel Patent Vanity that I've opened. I really like this box. I like the texture. So do you have any guesses guys before we open? So please pause this video and comment down below. But let us open. OMG. So again, this is the first time that I'm seeing this. I would like to look away because, wait, oh my god, wait, what's this? Oh, I could already feel it, guys. Are you ready? Wait, 3, 2, 1. Chanel, OMG! So it is another vintage Chanel patent bag. Okay, let me just inspect this really quickly, guys. One moment. Oh, wow. Ooh, okay. So it came with the dust bag. So here is the dust bag. Alright, let me just check if there is something more. So there is nothing more inside the box. So let me just put it here. So let me just inspect guys this vintage vanity bag. Ooh, wow. Ooh, okay. Wow. Ooh. So here she is, guys. Let's take a closer look. So what I purchased again from another Japanese consignment store is the vintage vanity bag. But this one, of course, is in all color white. The hardware is in 24 karat gold hardware. And what I super love about this one, I think what drew me to purchase this one is if I could put this one closer here, you are going to see, is it capturing on the camera, guys? But the material of this one is in caviar leather. OMG, wow. And it's in good condition. And here is the zipper pull. So later I'm going to do a comparison because this one, the first patent vanity that I got, the condition of that one is around 7/10, and this is way better. And the color white, to be honest, it's more rare. It's such a rare piece. Would you agree, guys? Because I have searched online, Google, YouTube, and I have not seen anybody done a review on a white vanity bag. Also in Google, there are very few in good condition white vanity bag. That's why I said, oh my god. Plus this one is on a very good price, and I said, OMG, I need to get this one because it's such a rare piece. So let's just, you know, do a closer inspection. So again, this is the front, as you can see. So again, what I love about this one is the zipper is very straight. It's not wobbly, even though you're going to put it on the side here, so there are no bumps and lumps. Because the other vintage vanity bag, you would see that the zipper is already wobbly. And then as you are going to notice, guys, so it still comes with a tag over here with number 2. I'm not really sure what that means. And then here is the zipper pull. So the zipper pull is very beautiful. It's very gold. OMG, she shines very beautifully. And here is the top handle. So again, guys, what I am planning to do with this one, because you could definitely convert this one by adding B-rings on this here. So you could add shoulder strap. So what I am planning to do here is I'm going to convert this one, and then I'm going to purchase the giant pearl shoulder strap. I feel that that would be so Chanel, so chic, and very rare. So as you will notice, guys, here at the back, it still is on very good condition. And according to the description of the seller from Japan, they said that this is all original and it is not recolored. So maybe if it's recolored, maybe there are just some touch-ups. And then let us check. So here, let me just check, guys, any corner wears. Okay, so I am seeing a little bit of corner wear. So on the other side, so like for example here at front, so there is none. And then on the back, so I've seen a little bit. Is that it? Yeah. Here, so there is corner wear over there. But on the other side, it is still in good condition. And I think what's the flaw of this one, the lining is not as, you know, good compared to the patent vanity that I got. So as you can see here, so here is the inside. So I think the lining of this one was already peeled off. But to be honest, it doesn't look bad because the texture, it feels like a little bit suede. So we are going to see here. So it has the boutique seal here. So if you are going to purchase from a Japanese consignment stores, normally they have, aside from the hologram sticker, it would come with the boutique seal. So the boutique seal means that they have their experts have already authenticated the bag, and it comes with the, I'm going to cover some, but it comes with some of the hologram sticker over here. There. Okay, so guys, I'm just inspecting because the condition of the lining is not as good. But definitely, I could purchase or even make a insert of this one, so I could use this and maintain, you know, at least not damage the lining more. Alright? But overall, I think I still love this vintage vanity bag. Right? Okay. So let's do a full close-up view of this very beautiful vanity bag. Hi guys! So let's do a comparison of my two vintage vanity bags. So this is the new one that came in today. So here is the white one. So remember guys, if you have seen my 2022 wish list, this is not again exactly on my wish list, but one of my wish list is a vintage Chanel in caviar leather. So this is the first caviar Chanel that I have. So as you could see, the graining of caviar, it's not really, it still feels, to be honest, it still feels smooth. I'm imagining because like it would be really rough. So here at the bottom, there's a little bit more texture, but here on the other portion, so it has like different texture, to be honest. So here is the patent vanity bag. As you can see, they are of the same size here. So you are going to notice, because with the vintage patent vanity, there are a lot of normal wear and tear here at the bottom part, but with the newer vanity bag here, she is in almost pristine condition. So actually guys, I have carefully inspected already, because as you can see here, the lining of this other bag here. So guys, can you see I made a custom puff bag for her? So I'm not really sure if I'm going to make and sell it, but good thing I know how to make some. So the good part about this one, it came with the authenticity card and it came with the hologram sticker, and the lining inside is still intact. There are no damages or whatsoever. But with the newer vanity bag here, so the outside part, I would rank it like maybe 9/10 because there are very minimal wear and tear. But if we are going to open, maybe you have noticed while I was checking the inside, I have noticed that when you touch this one, there is like a chalky feel. It is actually, I am aware of this one guys, on the website of the Japanese consignment store. It was described that the outside part is still in pristine and mint condition. However, the inside part, there is like a deterioration. But that did not deter me, because I felt like on the photo, it doesn't look like, you know, it's really damaged. But when you touch the lining, you are going to notice that, you know, it leaves like a residue. So that is why it is very important that, you know, I purchase a bag organizer for this one. Or maybe I could do, sorry guys, it's not focusing. And maybe I could do my very own bag organizer for this one. So what do you guys think of the new Chanel vanity bag? Do you like her or not? Please do comment down below. So if you are going to notice, I am, you know, pulling the zipper with ease. And as you know guys, I am such a huge fan of vanity bags in general, and she is in very good condition. So let me just try the weight, if they are the same. Yep, they, you know, carrying it, they weigh the same. So of course, as you know guys, I'm going to have this authenticated, so for that better peace of mind. But what do you guys think? Please do comment down below of my new Chanel vintage vanity bag in white caviar. There, how did you like our unboxing episode for today? So again guys, I would love to hear your comments with my new Chanel caviar vintage vanity bag. Do you like her or not? Do you have any suggestions on what I could do with the lining? Again, would love to hear from each and every one of you, and thank you for watching. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so kindly click on that one so you could easily subscribe, and I'll be happy to welcome you to our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this exciting unboxing episode. Be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. I will see you soon. Please stay safe. Bye!